What is going on, guys? This is Kyle coming at you again. We'll be starting a little, I don't know, it might be a series, might be a few videos, whatever, but it's been 8 months, almost 8 months, since Hurricane Harvey came through Houston. And I'm at my grandmother's house currently, and as you can see, I've already started, but her house is still pretty much destroyed. Don't mind the random stuff everywhere. What little bit is still salvageable is down here, but I'm going to be helping her because unlike us, she didn't have any insurance, any flood insurance or anything like that, so I'm trying to help cut down some of her costs because what little bit of money that FEMA did give her was not enough to really do anything. It's probably about a third of what it's going to cost to fix the house. So I've brought materials, all the sheetrock that was left over from my house. I brought it over, and I'm currently finishing the process of trimming up the walls that the volunteers who right after the storm came and helped cut up, but they didn't do it clean enough, so I gotta cut those up and then hang sheetrock and slowly start getting this place back together. And I do not know if I'm gonna be doing any kind of crowdfunding or anything to help get her some money to replace some of her belongings or whatnot, but I will say, from people who have dealt with it, don't waste your time with the Red Cross. She was denied any kind of funds from the Red Cross. We had to fight for a measly $200 when we were displaced, and that's all that they could give us when they took in millions upon millions of dollars. And just please don't give your money to big corporate ran organizations, because the money does not go to the people who need it. We know from experience, we're going on almost 8 months my grandmother being out of her house. She's a 76-year-old lady. My grandfather died almost 20 years ago, so it's just her, and I mean most of her belongings were destroyed, and we're just having to deal with the mess. And at this point, I'm trying to get her back into her house and up and running, so she can have somewhat of a normal life again, instead of living in a small room. So you can follow along. This will probably be just a real quick video, but I got my son here. He's helping today. Hi. I'm gonna set the phone up. That's all I got with me today, so I'm gonna probably set it up over here, and I'm just gonna do a time lapse of us hanging some sheetrock, and it'll go real quick for you, but it'll be about 3 hours. I'm planning on putting about 3 hours in. My day started at 5:20, so it's already 4:30, so I got another 3 hours of work. So it'll be some long days, but it's worth it. It's helping family get back into normal routines. I mean, luckily with insurance, we were able to get in our house really quick, so she doesn't have that luxury, and I'm just trying to get her back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the time lapse, and come along. That's it for day 3. It's coming together.